didn't turn it on.
Oh.
You don't plug. Guys, I think this is going to be the greatest invention
I have a feeling.
humans have ever created.
Angela, you look kind of cold. It's snippy out here. Someone, put on the heater.
I shall do it.
Go. Beep.
Alright guys, final step in this process is to put in the batteries. Professor Monique, please.
This is serious.
This is serious
This
business.
is serious. I agree.
This could be the end or just the beginning of human technology.
Let's do this.
Who wants to have the honor of putting the batteries in?
I'll do it. Let me.
Alright, Professor Angels Minor and Professor Monique. You put one in, you put the other.
Yes, I can do. It broke!
It's okay. When this is created, people will be able to fix it.
This shoe shall begin the journey.
It's not a shoe. Battery. It's a little burned out.
They are burnt out.
It's just,
These shoes are burnt out.
they're not shoes, they're batteries.
Their batteries double A.
No, this
37.
is, no, 37.3 batteries. Alright, put them in.
You can tell these shoes, these batteries have
Put them in Angelheimer and Mobileburg.
Let's do this. That's pretty heavy. Good job.
There you go. One is in. The other is in. Now.
Now let me turn on the switch.
No.
Wait, you gotta pull the lever and then do it. Press it. Press the button. Don't press it yet. Don't press it yet. Don't press it yet. Wait! Don't press it just yet. The battery isn't in all the way. I said don't press it just yet. Oh no.
You didn't put the batteries in right.
Oh no.
What's happening?
Oh my god! Oh no! What?
Fix the battery! Fix the battery! Fix the battery! Fix the battery! What's happening? Hello. Do you understand us?
We come in peace with you. We come in peace.
Robot Mikey 321.
Robot Mikey 321, do you understand? Do you understand what I am saying? Do you
Please.
understand?
Please settle down.
Please settle down.
High five.
High five.
Yeah.
He is speaking. Oh no.
We have to speak more of his language.
Speak like this because he understands.
Beep, 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 beep. Yes!
Beep, 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 beep.
Nick, Nickelodeon.
Stop, stop, stop. Stop. No, oh no. We are in danger. Oh no.
Professor Momoburger, why are you talking?
Oh no. This isn't good.
Oh no.
Oh
Guys,
no.
I don't think.
Oh, no.
I don't think this. The battery's not on right. That's what. That's why it's
He's
not
not even
responding.
supposed to be turned on right now. How is he moving? I'm too young to know. How is he moving?
Only
Yes.
the remote.
He
Oh my God.
He's
Oh my God.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What do we do? Oh no!
Run.
Oh no! What is he doing? Some kind of dance motion. Oh no, he's dead.
What happened?
Oh, you're alive. Are you alive? No. She killed herself. No. No.
Seems that when the robot tries
He's
to
breaking
hurt you.
apart, guys. He's breaking apart. How is he still living?
It seems that when the robot tries to hurt you, you bleed Cheetos.
I hate Cheetos. Wait, what kind? Cheese, no. I hate that kind. No.
Oh my God.
Oh no. He's doing some weird sound. Oh no, oh no, help me, help me, help me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oi.